Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a social insurance number. First, understand that a SIN is a unique 9-digit number essential for employment and government programs in Canada. It's crucial for anyone planning to work or receive benefits. The application process is free, so never pay anyone to help you apply. We'll cover the necessary documents and steps to ensure a smooth application. To apply for your SIN, gathering the correct documents is key. You'll need a primary identity document, such as your birth certificate or a valid passport. For non-citizens, proof of your status in Canada, like a work permit or study permit, is absolutely essential. Sometimes, a secondary document, like a driver's license, might also be requested. Make sure all documents are original and valid. The application process itself is quite flexible. You can apply for your SIN online, by mail, or by visiting a Service Canada Centre in person. Applying online is convenient, but ensure your document scans are clear and legible. For the quickest service, an in-person visit often means you'll receive your SIN on the spot, provided all your documents are in order. Remember, your social insurance number is a vital piece of personal identification. Always keep it confidential to protect yourself from identity theft and fraud. Your SIN is a permanent number assigned to you for life and does not expire, so you won't need to reapply. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial understanding, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.